Hey folks, I think the Apple Watch 9 is definitely one of the underdogs of the September release. There are some huge updates with it, so let's put it up against the Apple Watch 8 and see what the differences are, and if it's worth that upgrade. And make sure to stay to the end to hear about the watch band giveaway that we're doing with Blushark. The biggest upgrade with these Series 9s is the S9 chip inside, which is a pretty big upgrade for the Apple Watches. The Series 6 was the last bump up that it got in chips. There are some major changes on this chip, including it being the first 3nm chip being used by Apple. These new chips, the way they are produced and laid out, give you more power, more speed, and use less energy. The keynote really talked about Apple's neural engine and the new Siri updates that can be achieved with this new speed now. Now Siri will be able to run on its own straight on your watch. No need for the phone to be tethered when you want to access any of your health data or even just load up a bunch of songs on your Apple Watch now, since they're giving you the new option for 64 gigabytes with the Series 9. And you can tell Siri to play, read, do whatever, and it's going to be faster than it having to ping the iPhone and get the information, ping it back. So this new S9 chip is leading to a lot smoother animations as well, with the graphics processor at 30% faster, which is a pretty decent jump. I can definitely notice using the Series 9, it's very smooth and it feels very modern, even though it's in the exact same body as the 8s. I think another button or action button on the Apple Watches would really open up to some other usable options like on the Ultras. The whole screen experience is very similar to the Gen 1 Ultra from last year. It feels just like it, actually. Another big difference between the Series 9 and Series 8 is the new Ultrawideband chip, which is one of the first times it's landed in an Apple product. And this new chip will give it better location accuracy for all that GPS tracking stuff for maps, Find My, pinging your iPhone to find it, or vice versa. It's just going to make it a lot more handy to use those features now. And I'm down for that. The Series 8 never really had any problems for me over the year regarding Find My tracking it, but now it's better. There's also a cool little feature that'll be a little easier for you to take advantage of when you want to share contact information with people. Now you just bring the two Apple Watches together and the contact information will be transferred over, and you'll be using those new iOS 17 wallpaper designs and customize all this stuff. You can practically make yourself a little business card. The screen brightness is also another thing that got a major bump up, being now 2 times brighter than the Series 8, which is compared to 2000 nits, where the 8 was only at 1000. And from experience using that Ultra watch all year long, having that bright 2000 nit screen, that's why I feel like they are so similar. It's like having a slimmed down Ultra Gen 1 in the familiar Apple Watch body. If you use that flashlight mode at night when you have to go to the bathroom or something, that 2000 nits comes in really handy and is so bright it will burn your eyes if you turn it on yourself accidentally. So for Apple Watches to have that much light coming out of them now is very impressive. I mentioned the storage option now with the Series 9 is topping out at 64 gigabytes compared to the Series 8 at half that at 32 gigabytes. I'm just not one of those users that loads up my Apple Watch with songs and playlists, but it's definitely possible to just take your AirPods and your Apple Watch and play everything through the Apple Watch, no iPhone needed. So if you're a data-hungry type of user, now you've got even double the space on that Series 9. One other little tidbit is that there's a new color, pink, and it's a bit of a muted pastel pink, but that is the only new available color on the Series 9 this year. So we've been seeing this from Apple for years, where they just drop a new chip and the whole thing gets faster and the price remains the same, which is really great. And you gotta hand it to Apple for being able to give us better tech every year, every time, at the same and sometimes at a better price. So if you've got yourself a Series 8, I'm sure you're pretty happy with it, and you should be. It's a great watch. But if you've got something a little older, it's starting to show its wear, even if you're jumping into the Apple Watch ecosystem, go with the Series 9. If you're looking to save some money with the Series 8, I would say just buy the newest and the best for what's out at the time, because these watches are going to be on your wrist every day, and it's going to be something that you appreciate every day. Being able to have better accuracy, better talks with Siri, better screen experience, and use that 2000 nit flashlight So good luck on your decision. Lots more Apple devices coming up in the next week or two on the channel. We're going to do a giveaway of Blushark Apple Watch bands. We're going to give this video about a week, so leave your watch size down in the comments below and you'll be entered into the giveaway. It's that easy. We're going to be doing a little live video probably in about 2 weeks where we will announce all the winners. I'll get back in touch with you here on YouTube. We'll get you the watch band somehow. This is my first giveaway, so please be kind. So thanks for watching. I hope to hook you up with some watch bands soon, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.